Very good morning, students. So in the previous class we were trying to learn multiplication of the larger numerals. Now in this chapter, in this class, today we are going to learn the operation division of larger numbers. So you might have learned in your junior classes how to divide numerals of 1 digit, 2 digit as well as 3 digits maybe. So in this class, now we are going to learn the division of larger numbers. Before that, let us recall the certain properties of division. So, say what is the first properties of division? If any number if you try any number divided by 0 is equal to not defined. Okay, we cannot divide any 0 by any number. But we can do what? If 0 is divided by any number, answer will be 0. So, first of all, the first rule says that if you divide any number by 0, which is not defined or we don't have an answer for it. So, it is not defined. So, the second rule says that what? The second rule says that if you divide 0 by any number, the answer will be 0 and the quotient will be 0, we can say. The third rule says that if any number is divided by itself, the answer will be 1. Okay, that is the third rule. If you divide any number by itself, the quotient will be 1 or the answer will be 1. The fourth rule says what? If any number is divided by 1, the answer will be that number. If any number is divided by 1, the answer will be that number. For example, if you divide 395 divided by 1, so answer will be 395 itself. Okay, did you understand? And in the case of the first rule, second rule, what do we say? Second rule, how do we do? 0 divided by 5. The answer is 0 itself. Or if you say 27, if you want to divide 0 divided by 27, the answer will be 0 itself. Okay, the same way, that is the second rule you say. Or you can say when you take the third rule, if you divide 45 divided by 45, you get 1 as an answer. Okay, these rules we are very much familiar with, right? So now let us see one more. Finally, there is one more rule with the division that we can to recall. That is one of the important rules. It is nothing but related to 0. So what do we say? The rule says that if we divide any bigger numbers that is ending with zeros, what will happen? We can add zeros to the right side of the quotient. For example, if you want to divide 240 divided by, so let us say 10. So what do we do? First of all, what we have to do? We have to reduce this number, right? So we have to reduce this number. So the answer will be what? So what the answer will be? 24. So we have to reduce the number 0. We have to reduce 0 from the right side of the given number. Okay, it will be the case of if you say 2500 divided by 100 also. You take We have to reduce the two zeros from the right side of this given number. So the answer will be 25. Okay. Is that clear for you? So the fifth rule states that when we multiply or divide number, what we have to do? We have to reduce a number from the right side of the given number according to the zeros with which we divide. Okay. So now we are going to deal with the division of larger numbers. So my dear students, now we are getting into the details of the chapter. So let us see how do we divide a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. So let us take a 3-digit number. Now 283 divided by 3. So how do we do it? What are these things called? This is called divisor. Okay, always remember these names. This is called divisor and this is called dividend. Okay, these names are important while doing the division. So first of all we draw the table, write the divisor, the dividend. So how do we do it? So you might have learned in the previous classes how to divide. So first of all look into the first number. So this is a 1-digit number. So let us consider the first digit number. But what happened? This is 2 is less than 3. So we cannot divide a smaller digit from a bigger digit. So what we have to do? Now we have to take the second place also. So 28. So let us consider how many times 3 is closer to 28. So we have how much? 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24 and 9 3s are 27. So 9 comes here. So 9 3s are 27. So when you do the subtraction process, division, the next thing is comes here is subtraction. So here it 1 comes, here will become 0. So now what we have to do? We have to bring this number down. So 13 it becomes. So let us see. Here we cannot take 1 because it is 1 is less than 3. So we take the numbers together. So let us see how many times 3 comes in 13 closer to. So it will be 4 times. So it will become 12. You see? So now 4 3s are 12. So let us take the final result is 1. So we have finished the division. So now what we have? So now we have remainder have how much we have the remainder? Remainder 1 and we have the quotient. So quotient how much? Quotient is we have 94. So we know that dividend is equal to what? Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So what is your quotient here? Quotient is 94 into 3 plus 1. So they will give you the divisor. So 94 into 3. So let us see 94 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. So 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 1 28. So we have 282. So 282 plus 1 is 283. You see, we have the dividend. So this is how we do a division of a 3-digit number with the help of a 1-digit number. So first of all we have to put them according to in the table. So look the numbers. So this is a 1-digit number. So first of all we have to consider the 1-digit number. So you see 2 is less than 3. So we cannot divide 3 out of 2. So what we took? We took 28. So let us now consider how many times 3 can be brought near to the 28. So 9 times. So 9 3s are 27. Now we have to subtract it. So we get 1 and we brought this 3 down. So now let us again look into this one number. So 1 is less than 3. So we take this two number together. So how many times 3 in 13? 4 times. So 4 3s are 12. So again subtract. So 1. So we cannot go further again. So that is why we stop here. So is that clear for you? So now let us take the division of any 3-digit number with 2-digit number. Okay, so let us see how do we can do it. So how do we do it? So let us take 784 divided by 24. So let us take, we are going to divide a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. So first of all, what we have to do? Draw the division table. Write the number 784 and the divisor is 24. So now first of all, what we have to do? This is a 2-digit number. Okay. So now we have to see here also 2-digit number. Since 24 is less than 78, it is easy to divide. So we have to see how many times 24 comes closer to 24 comes to 78. So there is an easy method for that. There is an easy method in order to find out. Let us first of all, what we have to do? We have to round off this number. So round off means it becomes how it becomes rounding off, it becomes 20. 24 is rounded off to 20. So in that 20 we take 2. In that 20 we take 2. So now look into this number. How many times 2 comes in this number? There are 3 2s are 6. That's 3 times. So write the number 3 here. So now multiply with 3 this number. So 4 3s are 12. There is 1 carry. 2 3s are 6, 7. So you see 72 comes. We subtract now. So 8 minus 2 is 6. This is 0. So now we bring this number down. So now we got 64. Again what? 24 is less than 64. So we can again do that. So again consider the number 2. So how many times 2 comes here? We put the number 3. So again multiply here. So again multiply means that is wrong. We have to see how many times it comes closer. That is again it is 2 times. So that will becomes 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So how much it becomes? We borrow 1 here. So this is becomes 6 and here it is 16. So it ends here. The same way, now let us see how we multiply that. So 32 into 24 plus 16 will give you 784. Okay. So the divisor into quotient into divisor plus remainder will give you the dividend. So is that clear? So now let us see the third part. The third part is that now let us see bigger numbers. How do we divide bigger numbers with the help of 2 digits? So let us see how do we do it. So dear students, now we are going to divide a 5-digit number with a 2-digit number. So let us take 86,434 divided by 46. So let us do it. So first of all, what we have to do? First of all, we have to draw the division table. So we have to draw the division table. So let us write the value 86,434. So now write the value divisor here. Okay. So we are going to divide it. So let us take, since 2-digit number, so do you consider that? So what happened? So 86 is bigger than 46. So we can do directly. So now let us see how many times this 46 comes in 86. Only one time. So let us write the value 46 here. So reduce, subtract. So this is 0, this is 4. So now bring this value here. So now let us see. This is, again consider the 2 digits. The 40 is less than 46. So what we have to do? We have to consider the next number together. So 404. So how many times 404 comes closer to 46? So it is 8 times. So let us see how it's 8 times. 8 6 are 48. So 4 is balanced. So 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. So 368. So now subtract. So we have to borrow 1. So it becomes 10, and again when you give 1 it becomes 9. So now this becomes 14. So 6, and it has become 3. This has become 9. So 36. So bring this value down now. So it becomes 363. So again look into this 2 number. 36 is less than 46. So we have to consider all together the 3 numbers. So again, since it is 3 big considering number, let us multiply with 7. So 46 multiplied by 7, when it comes 6 7s are 42. Again balance 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. So now you subtract. Subtract, you get 1 4. This again 0. It becomes 0. So now you bring the last number down. Here you see 41 is again less than 46. So we consider all the numbers together. So again what we have to do? We have to multiply with, here we will become multiplying with 9. So let us see what will become. 6 9s are 54. So 54. We have balance 5. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5 41. So we have 0. So our answer is what? So our answer is 1879 is the quotient, the Q, the quotient, and the remainder is 0. So let us say this is how we multiply, we divide 86,436 by 46. We wrote the dividend inside, we gave the divisor outside. So first of all, we look, it is a 2-digit number. So we consider the 2-digit number. So let us see how many times 46 comes in 86. So it is 1 time. So we gave the 46, we subtracted it. So we got 40, and we brought down this 4 down. And now again we consider the 40. 40 is less than 46. So we consider 404. So let us see 46 how many times in 404. So 8 times. So 8 times we multiply, then we get 368. So we subtracted, we got 36. 36 is less than 46. So we brought the 3 down. So we consider all the numbers together. So now again 46, how many times in 363? 7 times. That means 322. We subtracted, we got 41. Then we brought down the 4. So again consider 41 is less than 46. So we consider the whole number, 3-digit numbers. So again, how many times 46 in 414? 9 times. We got 414 and subtracted 0. I hope the division of the 5-digit numbers are clear for you. So in this way we do all the divisions. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. If you have any doubts, ask me. We will again divide and learn more in this coming classes. So dear students, now we are going to divide 2,15,636 from with the help of 125. So this is a 6-digit number divided by a 3-digit number. First of all, what we have to do, draw the table. So write the number 2,15,636 divided by 125. So let us say this is a 3-digit number. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to look into 3-digit number. So see, 215 is greater than 125. So we can directly divide. So we see how many times 125 in 215? 1 time. So we write 125. So now subtract. So subtract, you get 0, 9. So we now bring this number here. So 906. So again 906 is greater than 125. So now let us see how many times this comes in 125 comes in 906. So we say 7 times. So you see, you multiply 7 5s are 35. So now balance you have 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Again balance 1 is there. 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So now again we have to subtract. So this is 0. So we get 0 it is. Okay. So subtract, you get 1. So you give balance 1 here. So this is 31. So now you bring this number to here. So 313. So now let us see, 313 is greater than 125. So how many times 125 in 313? You say 2 times. So that means 10, carry 1. So 2 2s are 4, 5. Then again 1 2s are 2. So 250. So again subtract. So what do we see? You get 3. So this is a bigger digit. So borrow 1. So you get 6. So this is 0. Here is also 0. So now we bring this number here. So 636. So 636 is what? 636 is bigger than 125. So now let us see how many times this will become. So if we give 5 times, let us see 5 times if we give 100, 5 5s are 25. Then balance 2 is here. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 is here. So now balance is 1. 1 5s are 5 and 6 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 625. So now we subtract. So 1 1 0. So the balance is 11. So you see, this is how we do as division of a 6-digit number with the help of a 3-digit number. So first of all we wrote this number. Then what we see? We saw this is a 3-digit number. So we took 3-digit number from here. So see, 215 is bigger than 125. So we divided. We found out how many times this number comes in this number. There are 1 times. So we multiplied this with 125. We got 125. We subtracted. We got 90. So we brought down the 6. So now see, 906 is greater than 125. So we sought how many times 125 in 906. There are 7 times. So multiplied by 125 into 7, we get 875. So subtracted, we got 313. So 313 is greater than 125. Again we saw how many times 125 in this number. So 2 times we multiplied, we got 250. So we subtracted, we get 63. So we brought down the 6 here. Now we saw 636 is greater than 125. So we thought how many times 125 in 636? 5 times. So we got 625 and we got the remainder 11. So is that clear, my dear students? So this is how we subtract, this is how we divide 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number, 6 digit number, either with 2 digit number or 3 digit number. Okay, the process is same, but the only thing you have to remember is that where you put that zeros, where you bring down the numbers, how do you find these numbers? Okay, so you have to be always careful with this one. So I hope this is clear for you. So now let us practice some examples.